I'm Sally. Welcome to my garden. I garden in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, which is hardiness zone 9A, and that's in Northwest Oregon. Now today I'm going to give you the reveal of my sheet mulching experiment that I conducted last year. I started a new flower bed, but I needed to eliminate the grass and weeds first. What's sheet mulching? Well, let me explain. There's a variety of ways that you can do sheet mulching, but this is the method that I used. So, you take the area, you create a shape. I used landscaping paint, and I watered it in well after I mowed the lawn that is lowest setting. I water it in well, and then I take cardboard and place it in the shape that I want the flower bed to be, overlapping the cardboard and removing all the tape, of course. And you want to overlap it by about 4 to 6 inches. So you need to have, so there's no light getting through, so it kills off the sod, lawn, and weeds. And then you are going to take some organic matter, which consists of a combination of all of these things, or just some of these things, to include wood chips, lawn clippings, compost, and leaves. So I let that sit over the winter. Now you just want to make sure it sits about 3 to 4 months. That's why now's a perfect time to be doing this. And next spring, boom, you're ready to plant your perennials, shrubs, trees, your grasses, ornamental grasses, or vegetables if you prefer. So let's take a look at what I've done. Let me know what you think. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join in the conversation and make some comments. I'd love to hear from you. Here we go. Now this is what I've done. Remember, all of this was just grass. I had no flower beds here to include this area as well. And this is how the front of my bed looks now. I mean, this was all just grass. Now, I've got a variety of things here that I've put in. And in my next video, I'm going to explain what those things are. And some of them I even grew from seed. Now you can see it's around Halloween, so I've got my pumpkins out now. So this is what I've got now. Oh, I got my skulls. Yeah. So I'm actually pretty happy with how this has turned out, especially for the first year of putting plants in. I mean, this has basically been weed free. I mean, it's been unbelievable. Now most of these plants are past their prime, sorry to say. But I wanted you to take a look before it got any later in the year and let you know what I've done. Now, I don't have a drip system. I don't have irrigation. I do have a weeping hose that I use, but most of this is really hand watered. So, sorry for the camera. Yeah. So, tell me what you think. Would you be willing to try the sheet mulching method? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.